Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening the file immediately. Tap a PDF, image, or document in Files, Mail, or Safari to launch Preview. Once open, make sure you use Quick Look. Tap and hold any file and choose Preview to skip extra steps. You can rotate your iPhone or tap the expand icon to enter full screen mode for distraction-free reading. As you start, notice the top toolbar for Tools. This is where you'll jump into annotation and navigation next. Now you'll edit and markup. Tap the markup pen icon to draw, add text, insert a signature, or use the loop for magnified detail. Once done annotating, make sure to use the search field to locate words, phrases, or page numbers in PDFs. This saves time when scanning long documents. In thumbnail view, you can drag pages, crop images, rotate pages, or extract a selection to make a new file. These steps let you refine content quickly and accurately. Finish by saving and sharing. Tap the Share button to AirDrop, message, email, or save to files. Choose Export as PDF or Save Image when you need a different format. Once done, verify the destination. Make sure the file appears in Files or your Photos library so you don't lose changes. If something goes wrong, try this one key troubleshooting tip. Force close the app, restart your iPhone, and reopen the file. If Preview still fails, update iOS and retry sharing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.